Morning and welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you had a good weekend and an even better start to your week. Welcome back to the channel. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And guys, keep the support coming. I'm a struggling nurse and I really need your support. So guys, we started off the day at NHD and we're getting out of here and we're heading to work. This is a parking lot, um, which I'm not ever much of a fan of, but let's take on the elevator. Now this is me checking my watch to see if it's actually in sync with my phone and the time, because why have a watch that's not working? Anyway, I'm entering this elevator and Lord, my anxiety levels are through the roof. Almost well. Animals is goldfish, is crayons too. That's almost well. Now, can somebody tell me why this thing decided to stop in the middle? I didn't realize there's another door behind me though, but I remain calm. I have to give him props because, yeah, girl just chose the right floor and we were off to go. We were good to go. I'm literally driving in this parking lot. I'm late because there's lines everywhere. It's officially over and I'm headed home. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Have a good night, everybody. I'm sweating, it's so hot here. My God. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are having an amazing week so far. My week started on Sunday, but I totally forgot to vlog or pick up the phone because it was a stressful Sunday. I mean, stressful. My patient wasn't doing so well, and sorry, I'm distracted. But my patient wasn't doing so well, and I just wanted to focus on getting him better, for want of a better word or phrase. I wanted him to feel better, and I was just working hard at that, and I was successful, I think. However, I'm back today, and it's not so great. It's not the worst, but it could be better. And so today I was just so busy and had so many errands to run before coming in that I forgot to pick you guys up. But not to fear, we are here. So currently, the first part of our session is done, which is the most manual and rigorous part of it. And so, yes, guys, I'm distracted. I keep looking all over. I don't know. I have to. It's a part of me. I have to be aware of my surroundings. But yeah. So yeah, this is the start of our week. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you had a great weekend, an awesome weekend, and I hope that you're praying and putting everything in God's hands, because without Him, nothing is possible. All things come through Him, and so when we pray, we will get an answer. We will be delivered. So stay tuned for this week's sessions and see where it takes us and what I may get up to for the rest of the week as a practical nurse that does private care here in Jamaica. And yeah, stay tuned. It's a hard knock life for us. It's a hard knock life for us. It's a hard knock life. Guys, it's the end of the day. Welcome back to another day with your nurse Becky. I had a really hectic day today, a really hectic one. I remembered to take up the phone, but then I couldn't really check in. So I'll try my best to start off the video before I even leave out, but most of the time I can't lie, I am rushing because I want to get my business done and I want to be early for work. So I am struggling to really remember to pick up this camera. But bear with me, guys, and just in the comments encourage me to do better and possibly what you would like to see or hear me speak about in regards to practical nursing or private care, which is what I do. So guys, until next shift or whenever I'm doing something that's worth taking up the camera, I'll see you guys. Okay, take care and stay safe. Bye. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome, 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 and please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Please, thank you. So my day started this morning around 5:30. However, it is now 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, sorry, and I'm heading back to work as this is what my patient required for today. He wanted to split his session because of his appointment this morning, and so we're heading back. Yeah, so like, share, comment, subscribe, excuse me, and just stay tuned for more content as much as I can give you to protect the privacy of my patients. You know, it's limited, but support, 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 guys. Thank you in advance. So let's go. Looking down and tired, living life on a merry-go-round. That's how I'm feeling today. I'm tired, bro. I'm so tired. I planned on what I was going to do today for the vlog, and it just did not work out that way because as soon as I got to my workplace, it was just chaos. And it wasn't like a bad chaos, it was good chaos. I had work to do and I just couldn't take up the phone. Today was just, it wasn't much really, to be honest, but it took a lot out of me because I had to prepare some meal for dinner for my patient and give him a massage, which I'm certified to do, by the way. And what else did I do? Just, and I ran some errands for him on the road because he wasn't up to it. Yeah, I don't remember what else I did, but it was a lot. It was a lot, and I am exhausted. It is now 7 p.m. I got to work around 2:30, 3 o'clock. Mind you, I was there this morning to get him to his appointment this morning, and went home and I went back. So hopefully tomorrow is a better day where I can show you more stuff, but if not, support, 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 support. Like, it's rough out there, people. It's rough. Like, just give it a little support. I just a big little support because, by the way, this is my hair. It looks so neat on camera. Maybe it's not, but I don't know why I did this morning. I think I was going for a zigzag vibe and then I just stopped. But yeah, this is the hair. You're not really seeing it. It is a little messy, but I sweat today, so I think this is like a good mess up. This is not that bad. Like I can walk on the road and not feel no way about this. But yeah, I thank God for the day, and I thank God for the little things. And I don't want to say little things, but for the big things, I should say, for the great things He has done every day, for providing me with a job and food and shelter and clothing. I am grateful, even though I may feel like, Lord, why don't I have this or that? But I'm trying to remember that people are going through way worse than I am right now. So, um, I'm literally in my car, just sitting and waiting for the traffic to run off because I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I even wanted to show you what I wore to work today, but I really just got caught up, guys. So and YouTube is not allowing me to give you a full week's vlog, so I will have to cut up the vlogs in days. I'm not sure what's happening. Some verification thing I haven't figured out yet, and so until next time. Peace. On today's episode of the government versus poor people, don't tell me why I'm come for the man all the way over stoplight. They move the car already still. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you've had a great weekend. It's been 5 days since I picked up this camera because my patient hasn't been doing so well, and I feel a little defeated, but however I know it's all a part of the process and what he's going through. But I am doing my best and he's coming along, and I'm grateful for that. I am currently at work and just trying to give him a few moments to himself and then pick up back for the day. Yeah, we're having a rough week this week, and I really hope that we make it through the week and come out stronger and on top for his sake. So today's Thursday. Today's Thursday, and it's been a rough week. It's been a long week. A lot has happened. I've made so many changes. I've done so many new things that have made a part of my routine, and I realized having a routine and doing this job is very important for yourself, not just for your client but for yourself. You have to have a life outside of your work, or you'll just find that you're drained and tired and don't have any use for yourself. So what's my tip for the week would be, find a routine that works for you, that is for you and nobody else, and that will give you a great week. Even if you're tired, you'll feel energized to go forward and go through it. Also, it's on the same topic, however, find time to exercise and also to unwind. Exercise, unwind, close out the day with a nice bath or shower and a little nightly routine that you do, and I find that it makes me feel way more relaxed going to sleep and way more refreshed waking up. So that is my tip for the day and for the week. Stay This time we're adding I already added this. workout. This is what I've been doing every night for the past week. Yep. Yep. 1 hour every night. Yep. We're setting up a commode, and this is my first time setting it up. This is a foldable one.
Remember that? Did you ever give me back the $750? You what? Did you ever give me back the $750? I know. Well, you owe $750. Is it? You have a counterpayment. Money owed for transportation, unpaid rent, and bills. You sent the payment to me in February of 2018. Tell me about that. You came. How did you know that we needed a place to stay? Christine, I'm talking to you. I'm looking at you. I couldn't have stopped everything to him because they were confused. So you never had a second for this to
my
well or not together because we were supposed to be tough. But I am going to do my best season under George Ryan because I wanted to prove him that a player like me could work really hard every day in training, be first in every test